Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have Bang & Olufsen BEOPLAY HX wireless Bluetooth headphones and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on them. Now you're going to want to do this reset for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If these headphones are not connecting to your phone or other device, or if they're not pairing with Bluetooth or syncing with your phone or anything like that, a factory reset can fix a lot of these issues. Now the second reason you might want to do this is if for whatever reason you just want to delete all of the pairing history and settings off of them so that you can set them up like you're setting them up for the first time when they're coming out of the box. And we can do this, it's a very easy thing to do. All we need to do is first we want to make sure we have a decent charge on them and that they're turned on. And once we have that charge and they're turned on, we're just going to come in and we're going to press and hold the power/Bluetooth button for more than 8 seconds. And while we're holding it, we're just going to keep an eye on the indicator light. And when it flashes red for 5 seconds, that means that the headphones have been reset. You can release the button, and then you can go ahead and basically set these headphones up like you just got them out of the box new.